Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metal Slug game on your device, and once the game launches, you will be taken into the login page. From here, click on Register, and now choose your continent as well as country or region. Then just agree with the terms and conditions and click on Continue. And now you will be asked to enter your email address. Just enter your preferred email address and then click on the send button to receive the verification code within this email. Then just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the verification box and then click on continue. And now you will be allowed to set up a password for your account. Just type in your desired password and click on continue and make sure that the two criteria are met. After clicking on continue, your password will now be set. And now you will be logged in to your newly created account. You can now click on the launch button to start enjoying your game right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.